Welcome. Good morning. On behalf of IBM Thailand team, TechTalkThai, Managing Director that runs this under the great leadership, and the whole of IBM regional team, welcome to the IBM Solutions Summit event. This event would not have been possible without the great partnership of our distributors and our partners. 22 of our great partners here that has put on a very good solutions across the room to showcase our technology in hybrid cloud and AI. And together with our distributors, Computer Union, Ingram Micro, Metro Connect, thank you. This is a true testament of how we have in partnership been driving through our digital transformation and building up the nature of our business in transforming our partners and our customers in hybrid cloud and AI. Today's IBM Solutions Summit theme is just very timely, the race of enterprise AI. And as we looked at how we have built on the convergence of technologies, I would like to share with you a story. Back in March 2023, IBM has taken the AI journey by storm. We have then launched the watsonx, the platform that has changed the world, an AI platform that integrates, builds tools that enables our data churnings in 3 models. watsonx.ai enables you on the model management, watsonx.data that drives you on the data consolidation management, and lastly, watsonx.governance that run AI governance and ethical. Throughout the change of unprecedented, we have actually seen the world taking in a $4.4 trillion of growth through AI adoption. When I've actually built through what I've called in as the ASEAN go-to-market on our race to enterprise AI, many of our CEOs that we have done through a very strong, detailed IBM business value observations has shared on the data that 68% of a CEO says that AI changes at business core. 61% of the CEOs mentioned that they need to stay competitive. But as we all know, when you actually drive AI transformation, that comes a new challenge. A challenge in terms of rebuilding up, reskilling the talents, a challenge that organization needs to adopt on the technology new way. Today is our privilege to share with you that as we have a suite of our customers and the panelists that comes in to share their point of view on what enterprise AI means, let me share with you as we go through across the region, we are very excited to see that every form of organization has adopted AI in many ways. And AI that builds in models and AI that drives cost optimization and productivity. Now, at IBM, we believe watsonx is a platform that will drive the AI applications and model buildings through generative AI and through where we actually call it as agentic AI. Now, machine learnings that we have drawn in, you would have actually seen on your right-hand side all the solutions that we have run to simplify. watsonx has accelerated the race in enterprise AI, and we have had many, many use cases. Use cases around manufacturing, use cases around supply chain, more recently, use cases around healthcare. KPJ Services Malaysia has been running in the first solutions building in our watsonx.ai. And for those of you who are in healthcare, I encourage you to run some learnings and exchange of ideas on how watsonx.ai is now building the data management modeling. The system has just gone live last week, and we have been helping through millions of customers to integrate their data in healthcare. When we look at watsonx, what are we differentiating ourselves compared to our AI principles around the world? It is because we are nimble, we are able to drive the enterprise AI platform in many ways that you can build your tools, your infrastructure in a solutioning that we will continue to train. That's where agentic AI came in as an explosion this year. For us to be able to run in very large language models into very systemic, multiple models that we can actually offer to our customers. IBM, we focus on enterprise AI because we believe organizations like you in this room will be able to have the notion of running in platforms that will benefit your organizations. 3 areas that customers and organizations embarks into AI journey. Number 1 is to drive efficiency in customer experience. Number 2 is to make sure that we drive in our cost optimization. And number 3 is to make sure that we have got a lot of data that has become unstructured into a structured data. Many times when we have actually seen organizations move, the challenge that we see in every organization is building up their unstructured data. That's where we encourage our customers and partners to be able to look at how enterprise AI will become a journey. Now, when I look at how much of interest that has run in a solution, over the past 2 weeks, I've been journeying across Malaysia, Jakarta, Singapore, driving the same observations just like you. What exactly is our enterprise AI journey going to be look like? Now today, the race of the enterprise AI has become what I call it as a modeling like a Ferrari. We have had a great partnership with Ferrari, and this is our flagship that we had. We built the customer service management applications, and this is the flagship that we have been very proud on. Is the race together to build what is best that we have constructed in. Now, when I look at Thailand, I'm very encouraged with Khun Anothai's great leadership. We have seen so much of journey that we have been pitching through, building up our partners' ecosystem, driving in the importance of hybrid cloud, AI, and automation. IBM, we have stood in 116 years of history. But our journey in our AI, enterprise, or what you call it as the journey to race on the enterprise AI has begun since 2023 May. We have had our flagship built on to integrate our AI platforms. And when we actually look at the overall construct coming into quantum, the quantum safe technology and the quantum safe features has been integrated in all our platforms that we build. Today, IBM, we represent a technology solutions provider that focuses on hybrid cloud, AI, and automation from our platform, our storage, our power, and our mainframe business to cater through the journey with our customers, the journey of what I call an AI, which is not an endpoint, but is a journey of a starting point. I'm looking at where we are today, and Thailand running in a very big space. I think this is probably one of the biggest audience I've seen in the morning at 9:30. So thank you all for being here today. The IBM Solutions Summit is to give you the experience of how our AI journey has helped our customers and our partners to drive the transformation, not only to drive the advance of the enterprise AI, but to understand and learn from you the solutioning that we have. The combination of our energy and our dynamism with our partners is a showcase of how we have built through. Thank you to all our customers who have also traveled all the way from Chiang Mai. And I hope we have the opportunity to meet each other in Chiang Mai. But most of all is that to all of us here, the meaning of IBM on our enterprise AI is to provide you with a landscape of options to drive your advanced AI for your customers and your partners. Now, the race has begun, and with that, it is a true privilege for me to be here to run in a solution summit that will be meaningful for all. Thank you for having me. I hope to be able to network with you throughout the session.